Hi dear viewers, welcome to Infinity Ahzee channel.
Infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
Using of late. Late has at least three meanings. It means to allow. When used in this sense, it is usually followed by the infinitive mood without to. The jailer left the prisoners escape. Lady, king lady, oh let me go. Such phrases as this house to let, this farm to let mean that the owner is willing to give the possession and use of the house or farm to a tenant for rent. These expressions are elliptical, for this house is to be let, this farm is to be let. To let a farm for a year, to let a room to lodgers. Certain phrases containing this verb may be explained. To let blood is to bleed, to cause blood to flow, as form a vein. To let drive or let fly is to discharge with violence, as an arrow or stone. To let loose is to remove restraint from, to allow to wander at large. To let a thing be is to leave it alone. To let go is to permit to depart, to relinquish one's hold. He always lets his dog loose at night. Let me alone. I'm finishing my essay. Let me go with this letter to the post. That is, allow me to take it to the post. Let go half the nurse, my boy. That is, relinquish hold of half the nurse. Thank you so much for joining us. Hope to see you next. Please take it easy. Have a good time. Good luck. Bye.